Today I'm going to be installing the Demon brackets from AMI. Check them out at amistyling.com. Both brackets are labeled with a P and a D for driver and passenger. For this install, you'll need a 17mm socket, a pair of Demon brackets, and your choice of D-rings, 3/4 inch. I chose white to go along with my white Tacoma. As you can see, the driver's side is marked with a D. For this install, you're going to want to remove the 3 factory bolts on the passenger side, along with your factory tow hook. Grab your 17mm socket, remove all 3 bolts. In my case, I used a 3/8 ratchet. It would be much easier if you had a 1/2 inch. With all 3 factory bolts removed, along with our factory tow hook, it's now time to install our Demon bracket. Remember to install the correct bracket looking at the D or P for driver or passenger side. Always remember to thread in your bolts by hand at first, and then tighten them down with your 17mm socket. With all 3 bolts now installed, I did notice that the bolt closest to the engine bay did overlap the bracket just by a little bit, but I wanted to install it anyway. Also, I did use red Loctite on all the bolts before reinstalling them. It is a little bit easier on the driver's side with only 1 bolt to remove and reinstall. Grab that 17mm. With our new Demon bracket installed, it's now time to grab our D-rings and install those. The only thing that we have left to do now is install our D-rings. The D-rings that I purchased came with some rubber washers. These rubber washers go in the inside part of the D-ring and the outer edge of your Demon bracket to prevent any rubbing. Make sure you tighten those D-rings down after installing them. Well, there you have it, the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was my very first video, hopefully the first of many more to come. I will post links to all the products that I use down below. And if you did like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you at the next one.